Welcome to GIS. So today we are going to see about GIS exam questions for your preparation in 2017 exit exam questions. Whether you are in acquiring basic degree in GIS or geography development studies, both streams has been benefited from this model exit exam questions. So now let us go to the questions directly. So number one, what are the spatial relationships in geodatabase? A, relationship between tables in the database. B, relationship between spatial features based on their geometry. C, relationship between different versions of the geodatabase. D, relationship between spatial and non-spatial data. So in spatial relationship in a geodatabase means a relationship between what? The spatial features based on what? Their geometry. Based on their geometry. So the answer is B. Okay, great. Now let us go to question 2. Which of the following is not a common type of spatial relationship? A, contains. B, overlaps. C, links. D, within. So with a spatial attribute or spatial relationship, it is not a common type of spatial relationship. Is links. Yes. The other one is common types of spatial relationships that are existed in a spatial query. Okay, great. Number 3. What is topology in geodatabase? A, the study of spatial patterns in data. B, the geographic extent of a dataset. C, the spatial relationship and rules governing spatial features. D, the process of joining spatial datasets. So when we are thinking about topology, there is a spatial relationship and associated rules that governs the spatial relationship between features and the dataset. So the answer is C. Okay, great. Number 4. What is the spatial join in GIS? So what is spatial join in GIS? A, the process of combining spatial features based on their locations. B, the process of joining tables in geodatabase. C, the process of visualizing spatial data on a map. D, the process of exporting spatial data to a different format. So spatial join means, as we know, spatial means based on location based, so that spatial join means combining features based on their location or based on their georeference locations. So the correct answer is A, the process of combining spatial features based on their location. Okay, great. Number 5. What are the two primary types of geodatabase in ISRIS ArcGIS software? A, file geodatabase and personal geodatabase. B, enterprise geodatabase and spatial geodatabase. C, cloud geodatabase and local geodatabase. D, structural query language geodatabase and NoSQL geodatabase. So the question is, what are the two primary types of database in this ArcGIS software? So actually there are 3 types of geodatabases: file geodatabase, primary geodatabase, and enterprise geodatabase. But the common and the primary ones are file geodatabase and personal geodatabase. So the correct answer is A. Okay, great. Number 6. Which type of geodatabase is suitable for single-user desktop applications? Single-user desktop applications. A, enterprise geodatabase. B, file geodatabase. C, personal geodatabase. D, cloud geodatabase. So in this case, the single-user desktop application is the file geodatabase types. The file geodatabase types are the suitable for single desktop applications. Okay, great. Question number 7. What is the key characteristics of a personal geodatabase? A, it supports versioning and replications. B, it is stored as a single file on local machine. C, it requires centralized server for data storage. so it is accessible over the internet. So this is interpreted as others are characteristics of enterprise geodatabase actually. So the correct answer is it is stored as a single file on a local machine like my folder or file manager simple file. So the correct answer is B. Number 8. Which type of geodatabase offers advanced capabilities such as versioning, replication, and multi-user editing? Versioning, yes, that is different versions. Replications, it is replicability means, and multi-user editing. So in one time, multi-users or many users can access editing the database. So in this case, which type of database are available? It is already known that it is what? It is enterprise database. It is into enterprise database. It is a requires centralized server for data storage, and it is already accessible over the internet, which allows multiple user editing permissions. Multiple user editing permissions. Okay. Number 9. What is the primary purpose of tables in a geodatabase? A. To store spatial data such as points, lines, and polygons. B. To provide a visual representation of spatial features on a map. C. To store attribute data associated with spatial features. D. To perform spatial analysis operations. So the answer is to store attribute data associated with spatial features. So attribute data or description of a certain features is a function of tables. A function of tables, such as it is descriptive. It is descriptive profiles are associated or stored in tables. Okay, great. Number 10. What is a spatial index in a geodatabase? A. Table that stores information about spatial features. B. A data structure that enhances the retrieval of spatial data based on their recursions. C. For the system used to define spatial properties of features. D. A tool for visualizing spatial relationships between features. So the answer is a data structure that enhances the retrieval of spatial data based on their location, which is spatial index. Spatial index. So the answer is B. 11. What is a feature class in a geodatabase? A collection of related spatial features that share the same geometry type. B. A table that stores attribute data associated with spatial features. C. A file format for storing raster data. D. A data structure that organizes spatial features into layers. So the answer is a collection of related spatial features that share the same geometry type. So the answer is a collection of related spatial features that can have common geometry types. Okay, great. Question number 12. What is the primary difference between feature class and feature datasets? A. Feature class stores raster data, while feature datasets store vector data. B. Feature datasets can contain multiple feature classes, while feature classes cannot. C. Feature datasets are used for storing attribute data, while feature classes are used for storing spatial data. D. Feature classes are limited to one geometry, while feature classes contain multiple geometry types. So the answer is feature classes can contain multiple feature datasets can contain multiple feature classes, while feature class is a single entity, which is that means which cannot contain feature other characteristics. So that's the correct answer is B. 13. Aerial photographs are blank to contrast the movement of aircraft. A. Spatial camera. B. Stereoscopy. C. Geostabilizers. D. Digitizers. So these are the geostabilizers that control that controls the contact movements of aircraft in order to capture photographs. That is called aerial photos. Okay, great. 14. One is not types of aerial photograph based on the direction or position of camera exists. Which one is A. Panchromatic, B. Vertical photographs, C. Oblique photographs, D. Focal length. So the correct answer is panchromatic. Panchromatic is not a kind of photographs based on camera axis on the directions. Number 15. What is the minimum location point required to use of triangulation principle? Of triangulation principle on GPS or in orthophoto camera techniques? So the answer is a minimum of 2. Minimum of 2 points should be available for triangulation principles and for triangulation rules. Okay, 16. A blank is parcel-based land information system. A. Land information system. B. Land administration. C. Cadastre. D. Survey. So the answer is Cadastre. Cadastre is a parcel-based land information system that stores the information of a parcel. Okay, grade 17. A unit of land with homogeneous tenure interests having a unique or owner or tenant or land class and is refers A. Cadastre, B. Land information system, C. Parcel, and D. Land management. So the answer is parcel. Number 18. Blank is a public up-to-date land information system or list that efficiently supports public administration of real estate. A. Parcel, B. Cadastre, C. Land information system, D. Survey. So this is most commonly referred to as Cadastre. This is Cadastre. So the answer is B. 19. Blank is the discipline of land surveying that relates to laws of land ownership and the definition of property boundaries. A. Cadastre, B. Cadastral surveying, C. Parcel, D. Land information. So the answer is cadastral surveying. 20. Which term refers to the amount of detail in a digital image? The amount of detail in a digital file format, pixel density, C. Metadata. Resolution means the amount of details, how the feature is represented in a remote sensing image. So the answer is resolution. Okay. 21. Which of the following is not common application of multispectral satellite imagery? A. Land cover classification, B. Vegetation health monitoring, C. Meteorological forecasting, D. Urban development analysis. So, not application of multispectral is meteorological forecasting. 21. 22. Okay. What is the main advantage of hyperspectral image over multispectral image? Higher spatial resolution captures a wide range of wavelengths, lower cost, limited data storage. So hyperspectral images have over hundreds of bands, so it captures the images within a wider range of wavelengths. Okay. 23. What is the primary advantage of data image processing? Higher cost compared to traditional methods, faster processing speeds, lower quality of image produced, limited application in various fields. So the answer is faster processing speeds. 24. What is the primary goal of image enhancement? To decrease the visual appeal of images, to complicate interpretation of images, to make image more useful and visually appealing. Okay, so the answer is C. 25. Which process correct sensor errors and atmospheric effects in remote sensing images. Geometric correction, radiometric correction, noise reduction, image enhancement. So this is called a radiometric corrections. Radiometric correction. Question number 26. What is the primary purpose of band rationing in remote sensing? A, to enhance the spatial resolution of images. B, to reduce noise in the image. C, to highlight specific features by dividing the pixel value for one by another. D, to convert images to grayscale. So, to highlight specific features by dividing the pixel value for one another. This is called image rationing, and it is objectives. 27. Which vegetation index is specifically designed to minimize the influence of soil background reflectance? So it is an ADVI, AVI, soil adjusted vegetation index. So it is minimizing the background reflectance of soils. So this is SAVI or soil adjusted vegetation index. 28. What is the primary goal of digital image analysis? To compare image files storages, to enhance visual appearance of images, to extract meaningful information from images, so to convert image from one format to another. So the primary goal of or the purpose of digital image analysis is to extract meaningful information from images. So this is what we have today. We will continue working on other parts for such kinds of exit exam questions. I hope you have get some preparation tips from these model exit exams. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.